First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's navigate to Users in the left menu. Click on Add New to start creating a new user. Here's where the magic happens. Fill in the user's details. Name, email, and a secure password are a must. You can use a generated password or create your own. Now, the user role. WordPress offers different roles, each with its own set of permissions. Here are the key roles. Subscriber, they can manage their profile and leave comments. Contributor, they can write and edit their own posts, but can't publish. Author, they can write, edit, and publish their posts. Editor, they can edit and publish others' posts. Administrator, they hold the keys to the kingdom with full site control. Choose the role that suits your user's responsibilities best. Check Send User Notification if you want WordPress to email the new user their log and details. Hit Add New User and voila! You've created a new user in WordPress.